Now, while this case might not be everyone's cup of tea, boy does it make a statement. Are you a PC building enthusiast who wants their next build to stand out from the crowd? Someone who loves artistic, aesthetics-driven builds? Well, this next case has that in spades. Hey there, I'm Sarah from Thermaltake Australia, and this is the Thermaltake AH-T600 full tower case. The AH-T600 is 628.3mm high, 337mm wide, and 763mm deep. This Apache-inspired open-frame full tower case is constructed using solid steel. On top of this, it comes with two gorgeous 5mm tempered glass hinge panels on the left and right side of the case. This type of glass is more durable and scratch resistant than standard acrylic and ensures that your hardware is visible from every angle. There is also three smaller 3mm tempered glass windows along the front. This case has a fully open frame design, ensuring that airflow within the case moves smoothly and keeps your PC running nice and cool. The AH-T600 has amazing expandability, meaning that your next dream PC build will come together with ease. It supports eATX motherboards up to 10.5 inches wide, as well as a CPU cooler with a max height of 195mm. You can fit a graphics card of up to 440mm in length without a pump, or 300mm with a pump. You can mount up to 3 120mm fans up top or 4 out front. There is an additional vertical mounting location which can house up to 2 120mm fans or even a distro plate. You can fit up to a 480mm radiator along the front and up to a 360mm radiator along the top or on the vertical mount. This case has a highly modular design, meaning you can install your case's components when and as you need them. The AH-T600 has modular panels, racks, brackets, and pre-designed mounting arrays. There is even support for vertical GPU mounting. The case also comes with handy Velcro tie-down points to make cable management a breeze. Storage-wise, you can fit up to 2 HDDs and 3 SSDs. On top of this, your storage is very modular and you can switch and change their mounting locations as per your requirements. Your front I/O panel comes with 2 USB 3.0 and 1 USB 2.0 ports. It also comes with a handy Type-C port or in an easy to access location. So if you're after a case that will stand out in a major way as well as show off all your building skills, this is the perfect case for you. The AH-T600 combines a stunning, unique look with a dismantleable, modular design that will ensure even the most ambitious builds can be pulled off with style. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy it, remember to give us a like and leave any comments or thoughts you may have in the comment section down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and ding the bell to be notified each and every time we upload. And while you're still around, check out any of these Thermaltake videos that may be around me in some location. I don't know, it changes all the time. And we'll see you in the next one.
The updated NZXT H-Series improves upon the performance, connectivity, and overall design of our most popular cases. The new models include the H710 and H710i, H510 and H510i, and the H210 and H210i, ranging from mid-tower, compact mid-tower, and mini ITX cases. The tempered glass window beautifully showcases your build and now installs with a single captive thumb screw, making it easier than ever to access components. We've modernized the front I/O panel with a Gen 2 compatible USB-C connector, enabling you to connect smartphones, external storage, and peripherals to your PC. The audio connections have been updated to a single 3.5mm jack for broad compatibility with audio output devices. AirF fans are included for optimal internal airflow with removable filters on all intakes to help reduce dust in your build. All models include removable fan and radiator mounting brackets for radiators up to 240mm for the H210, up to 280mm for the H510, and up to 360mm for the H710. This simplifies installation of closed-loop or custom-loop liquid cooling by allowing you to install them to the bracket outside of the case. Our patented cable routing system makes organizing your cables simple, intuitive, and attractive. The Smart I versions feature pre-installed RGB lighting and digital fan control, the new Smart Device version 2, updated with a faster processor for improved performance and 2 Q2 compatible RGB channels. The Smart Device version 2 is fully integrated with CAM for total control of preset and custom lighting modes, as well as 3 fan channels supporting voltage regulated or PWM fans. By measuring system noise under multiple loads, the improved ambient noise reduction feature in CAM delivers an optimal balance between cooling and system noise. Both H510i and H710i allow you to mount your graphics card vertically for further customization. Simply remove the vertical GPU mounting bracket cover, insert a riser cable into a PCIe slot, install the GPU onto the bracket, then connect the riser to your GPU. The updated NZXT H-Series is available in white, black, and black and red colors at all authorized retail locations. You can learn more about the latest evolution in the H-Series at nzxt.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more NZXT content.